Q2203. You need to maintain this distance below clouds. A. 500 feet. B. 1,000 feet. C. 2,000 feet. The correct answer is A. To maintain a safe distance below clouds, the correct distance is 500 feet. Option A is the correct answer. It is important for pilots to maintain a minimum clearance of 500 feet below clouds to ensure adequate separation from the cloud base and avoid potential hazards such as turbulence, reduced visibility, or icing. This distance helps ensure safe flight and allows pilots to maintain visual reference to the ground or other visual landmarks. 3150. A special VFR clearance authorizes the pilot of an aircraft to operate VFR while within Class D airspace when the visibility is A. less than 1 mile and the ceiling is less than 1,000 feet. B. at least 1 mile and the aircraft can remain clear of clouds. C. at least 3 miles and the aircraft can remain clear of clouds. The correct answer is B. A special VFR clearance authorizes the pilot of an aircraft to operate VFR within Class D airspace when the visibility is at least 1 mile and the aircraft can remain clear of clouds. Option B is the correct answer. A special VFR clearance is granted by Air Traffic Control, ATC, in certain situations where the visibility is reduced but still meets the minimum requirement for VFR flight. However, the pilot must ensure they can maintain visual separation from clouds and operate safely within the authorized airspace. 3151. What is the minimum weather condition required for airplanes operating under Special VFR in Class D airspace? A. 1 mile flight visibility. B. 1 mile flight visibility and 1,000-foot ceiling. C. 3 miles flight visibility and 1,000-foot ceiling. The correct answer is A. The minimum weather condition required for airplanes operating under Special VFR in Class D airspace is 1 mile of flight visibility. Option A is the correct answer. Special VFR is a clearance granted by Air Traffic Control, ATC, that allows pilots to operate under VFR within controlled airspace when the visibility is reduced but still meets the minimum requirement of 1 mile. The ceiling requirement is not applicable for special VFR operations. 3152. Under what conditions, if any, may a private pilot operate a helicopter under special VFR at night within Class D airspace? A. The helicopter must be fully instrument equipped and the pilot must be instrument rated. B. The flight visibility must be at least 1 mile. C. There are no conditions, regulations permit this. The correct answer is C. According to the regulations, a private pilot operating a helicopter under Special VFR, SVFR, at night within Class D airspace is allowed. Unlike fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters are not required to be fully instrument equipped, and the pilot does not need to be instrument rated to operate under SVFR at night in Class D airspace. However, it's important to note that SVFR operations at night should only be conducted when necessary and with appropriate caution, as visibility and lighting conditions can be more challenging during nighttime operations. 3153. What are the minimum requirements for airplane operations under Special VFR in Class D airspace at night? A. The airplane must be under radar surveillance at all times while in Class D airspace. B. The airplane must be equipped for IFR with an altitude reporting transponder. C. The pilot must be instrument rated, and the airplane must be IFR equipped. The correct answer is C. To conduct airplane operations under Special VFR, SVFR, in Class D airspace at night, the pilot must hold an instrument rating, indicating their proficiency in instrument flight. Additionally, the airplane must be equipped with the necessary instrumentation and equipment required for instrument flight rules, IFR, operations. This typically includes instruments such as an attitude indicator, heading indicator, altimeter, airspeed indicator, and navigation and communication equipment. It's important to note that SVFR at night should only be conducted when necessary and with appropriate caution, as visibility and lighting conditions can be more challenging during nighttime operations.